Hello friends and followers. Well, this is the meter of the HRO 500, which I just got out. The meter is open. So whatever happened to this thing, it blew the 1 milliamp here winding. So I'll attempt to open the meter and see if I can find the break in the wire. At any rate, there was some folklore that you have to remove the front panel to get the meter off. Well, I didn't remove the front panel, and it was painful to get the meter out, so I'll detail how I did it. The first thing you do is, of course, you take out these two nuts and take out this screw that holds the light bulb. The light bulb screw goes into here, and that screw goes in through here. So the meter sits in here, and you have to take off this top lock piece to get clearance, and that's this little thing here. That's got to come off, and that's the whole key. So you probably want to take off this piece first if you can. Then this cover has to come off, and that's not easy to wrangle off, but I got this cover off second, so the meter was still in here when I got this cover to come off, and I was surprised it came off. I was just kind of moving around and it came right off. It's hard to get off, but you can angle it around and get it off. So the meter itself will come out of here. You just gotta, you just gotta kind of wrangle it out. So this piece fits in like this, like that, and it goes over a little ways. There, it goes on like that. That's how the meter goes in. You put that screw in there. You have to get this piece back on here, which maybe is not too, oh, I guess it isn't bad, because look, they didn't enclose the one side, so it slips off. So I didn't know that. I thought this was a box. So I thought this would never come off, but it will. This will come off. You can wrangle it off. And the problem is this thing is really jamming the meter in. So this cover has to come off. And then you have to take off this little clip. And once that's off, you can get the meter out by tilting it up and carefully not scratching it. And well, I don't want to do it with one hand because I probably will screw it up, but you saw the meter was out of here, so that's how you get it out. So anyway, do all that. Make sure this thing is fully meshed so you don't break it, and take out your meter. So now I want to find out why the meter's broken. It looks like the windings are open in here. But anyway, yeah. And oh yeah, you gotta take out the whole side of the radio. So that's kind of a key aspect. So this big piece here has to come off, and it's not hard to get off at all. Looks like someone spilled coffee on this radio. Anyway, you take off the retaining bolts on the top part of the front panel and the bottom part of the front panel. You take off all the screws that hold this in the side, and you just slip it away from the radio. It's a little bit of a headache, but it'll come off. So yeah, you get this thing off probably first. And at your, smells like coffee. At your leisure, you can take off this cover. And really you want to get this off too. And once all that's clear, and of course the meter is unbolted, you can pull it out. All right, so I hope that helps. I think my buddy in Illinois, who's a teacher and a professor at a college, who's a real expert with these, he was talking about fixing his meter, so maybe this will help him do it too. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, we'll see if this meter is repairable or not. I hope I can find a break in there that's easy. Have a nice day.